Welcome back to let's watch another video on my content of my channel. We're doing unboxing, unwrapping. This is an unwrapping this time. Let's use the scissors. Okay, that's open. There we go. That's all that's in there. So it's in there. Toss that aside. When I do these unboxing unwrappings, I gotta get rid of all of this stuff, and it adds up. It's just a big old box, big old bag full of that stuff. Okay, here we go. This is be a self-explanatory type of thing. This one, I'm doing my best to keep the unboxing and unwrappings under 5 minutes if I can this time around. Alright, and in the description we'll tell you what this is. It's basically open the backs of watches. And I also gonna, if these are what I think they are, if they're strong like I think they are, I can also use these for electronics as wedges to open stuff, electronic devices. Oh wow, that is something, isn't it? Look at that. Wow, that is solid steel. Ladies and gentlemen, that is solid steel. Use this to pry open the round backs of watches, wristwatches. Very, very nice. We got another one. This one wanted to come out already. Right here. Look at that. Looks like a chisel. Something we would work on a wood lathe with. by the look of it. Isn't that's solid thick. That's solid steel. That's not plastic. That is not plastic. That is not tin. That is not thin at all. Very, very nice. You can open. You got to be careful. You don't want this to you don't want to slip and end up stabbing yourself with that thing. But alright everybody, that is a quick unboxing, unwrapping of the tools needed to open up the backs of wristwatches. There it is. So, let's move on to another one of my videos, shall we? Alright, you take care of yourself.